Hello and welcome back to AtsBay Online Classes YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of pathworking. If you have ever wondered what it is, how it is, and why so many people swear by it for spiritual growth, stick around because we are about to break it all down. Pathworking became widely known in the 1980s, but here's the kicker, it's actually much older than that. This mystical practice has likely been around for centuries, helping people explore their inner worlds, uncover self knowledge, and even act as a spiritual initiation into deeper traditions. Now, pathworking can be understood in two main ways. The first is as a guided meditation. In this method, someone, maybe a teacher or a recording, leads you through a symbolic, sensory rich inner journey. Think of it as walking through a story or exploring powerful symbols. The second is what some call true pathworking, where it's more than a visualization. It's a form of astral projection. In this case, you're not just imagining a journey, you're actually traveling across different planes of existence. And let me tell you, that takes the experience to a whole new level of magic. In Western esoteric traditions, pathworking is deeply connected to the tree of life from Kabbalah. Each of the 10 fruits or spheres and the 22 paths represent unique realms of wisdom and mystery. Exploring them through pathworking helps practitioners grow both personally and magically. But here's the cool part. Pathworking is not limited to Kabbalah. Shamanic journeying, for example, is a free-form version of pathworking. And if you are into runes, you can use them to guide your inner journeys. Even chaos magic practitioners have adopted pathworking into their practices, showing just how versatile this technique really is. At its core, pathworking is about discovery. It's a journey to uncover your true self, explore the mysteries of the universe, and connect with the magic that binds it all together. Whether you're seeking spiritual growth, deeper self-awareness, or just a new way to experience magic, pathworking is a tool worth exploring. So, have you tried pathworking before? Or maybe you're thinking of starting? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience or answer any questions you have. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a magical moment. Until next time, keep exploring and stay magical.